Hi all, this is Kanda vehicle tracking system. After successful login, we can see the menu as main navigation, dashboard, locations, playback, geofence, masters and report. And right side we can see the vehicle dashboard and login details. This page every 10 seconds it will refresh for getting the live details. And as shown in the vehicle dashboard, we have configured online, no GPS, battery disconnected, ideal and offline, inactive and unconfigured. Well, coming to configured vehicles, we can see the serial number, vehicle ID, device number, speed, odometer, fuel, last date. Last date means when we get the data from the GPS mission. If you click on live, here we can see in which group that vehicle and type of vehicle number and status, either it is offline or online, and live vehicle information. And here with icon and last 7 days distance travel and hourly distance travel, distance covered report. By default it will show last 7 days details. If you want any report, we can select the date, from date and to date, and then it will show the report. Here we can see the report from 1st to 31st. Total hours, total, and total AM to 11 PM. We can export to PDF and export Excel. And coming to dashboard, we have login details. Here total logins, administrator, institution, individual, and validity expired, and inactivated users. Total logins. Here we can see what is the roles and date to date. If to date is expired, then that is called a validity expired. Coming to tracking, current location. By default it will show all the vehicles in the map. See, as on here, if you zoom it, you can see all the vehicles, how many we have in the web. When you click on that, you can see that last day, last date and speed of the vehicle and vehicle number. If you select particular group, type and vehicle, it will show that vehicle with address. Live path. Live path, here if any data is available or now the vehicle is moving, then it will show that it's moving. History, based on selection, it will show the history of that vehicle with particular date and time. We can set the time also. Here from we set 12 AM and to we select 9 AM. 12 AM to 9 AM. View history. This is the history. From 12 AM to 9 AM. That green color is start point and red color is end point. Here to here it starts and ends at red color. And now playback. Here we can select group, type and vehicle number, and from date with time. To date and with time. Same. Just now we seen in the history, right? It's shown the full path. Here we can see step by step how it moves. This is the seconds variation. If you put 100%, it will show fastest. See, we can stop and resume. See the moment where it moves. That's it. Stop. In history we observe, right? Same path we here we can see. Now geofence. Geofence we can add certain circle, selecting vehicle, name, any name, description, and we can select polygon, rectangle, circle. If you select circle, if the vehicle coming in this point, wait a minute, testing, hi, rectangle, research, showing how to select those types. Here polygon. So we plan to select Empower Infra Tech. So we are selecting the points surrounding Empower Infra Tech. So and we save the details. Okay. We just enter the again. We select the vehicle number. Save. That's it. Masters. Here we have general details, device master. General details just for saving that type of vehicle and group of vehicle group names and user shifts. See, we can save these kind of things. But in vehicle group we can set ABCD example and user shift 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Coming to device master. Device master we have only limited details as of now. MG number, mobile model number, memory, manufacturer and registration. And vehicle master. Vehicle master, if we give the mileage, then in the shift mileage report it will calculate the how many liters of fuel used, assign vehicle to user. If we give only certain vehicles to the user, so that user can view only those vehicles only. That's why we are using this vehicle and user mapping. While coming to vehicle hourly travel map, select group, type and vehicle. From date, we don't have current values, so we selecting August month, 28 and 28, same date. So same day only one vehicle, we are selecting only one vehicle, right? It's showing only one. We can export to PDF as like. See this. Now it will show all the vehicles. Coming to summary dashboard. Summary dashboard based on date. For particular date we can see the dashboard. how many are operated or non-operated, and traveled. Vehicle dashboard. Before we see in live tracking, in the dashboard, if you click live, same page it will redirect. Coming to weekly hourly distance, selecting group, not a mandate. If you give from date and to date, it will give the list of all the vehicles from the between those dates. If you want particular group, you can select that particular group also. Nothing in that group, nothing, no vehicle is moved. So we are changing the date and searching again. So here we have values. Next, distance report. Based on here monthly wise, month wise we get the data for any group or type, or group type vehicle also we can get. For August month 2019, from day 1 to day 31, we are getting the details. It will show ABCD group all the vehicles list. Now it will show August month 2019 full vehicles details of that user, that administrator. It will show all the vehicles details. Next, vehicle tracking. Selecting group, type, vehicle and date. Not June, July, August 28th. That day we have no more data, so that's why we are testing on it. So it is showing where the last location and how many kilometers it's traveled and type of vehicle. We are just selecting a group EFGHI, so it will show all the list of vehicles under the EFGHI group with the location details. Invalid lat long means there is no data on the day. Uh, no group, no type. So it will show all the vehicles details with the last location on that date. Now shift mileage report. Based on the mileage setting at the vehicle master, it will calculate the distance and show the fuel consumption. Shift 1, how many kilometers they travel. Shift 2, how many kilometers. Shift 3, how many total distance. Shift 1, shift 2, fuel consumption. So here mileage is 0, that's why the fuel consumption also 0. If we give mileage, it will calculate based on that one. See, here we have 5, so but it's not travel. Here we can see the mileage 10, so it will show the calculation. Total 34 kilometers, so fuel consumption 3 liters, 4.44, 3.446, sorry. And we are selecting group ABCD, and now we are selecting group type car. We have only 3. Now if you want, you can select only particular way, sign out. Thank you.